account tips. First of all, buy a small plastic bag and put on your carry bag that you carry with you every day, so you can put all your receipt inside. Guys, this is an important, you need to keep track of your expense, as I said before, but you need to keep your receipt as well. So this is a small tips that you can use it. Just carry one of these with you always. Put your receipt inside. Don't keep in your pocket, because you will lose them easy. You will lose them without problem. Keep all your receipt in a folder and organize these for months and for year. It will be easier for you when it will be the time for your tax return to see where are your receipts, and if they are divided for months and for a year, it will be easier to find them. Take a picture of your receipt and store these in a Google Drive on a cloud. These will make things easier for you guys. I know that maybe will take a bit of time, but in the same times, if something happens, if the government come to you and say, I want to see the receipt, we have got everything already ready to go to send it through an email. Use an online accounting software like FreeAgent, QuickBooks. These will make things easier, but I know someone will say, well, I don't want to invest all of this money in a software. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I will explain you what you need to do. I'm going to give you the tools to keep track of your income and your expense for your business. Find an accountant. They will take care of your tax problems. As I said, if you want, you can do it. You can use an accountant, so you don't need to care about anything. You just give them everything and that's it. Or you just use an online software that does most of the part for you, and you just need to do tax return at the end of the year. But with the FreeAgent and QuickBooks, it's quite easy to do it. It's everything automated, so you just need to put the right info inside, and it will do also the tax return for you. But if you don't want to use an account on a software, I'm going to show you how you can do it pretty easy.